What's up, guys? It's your boy TPP, and I'm back with that true crime talk, baby. Let's go. Man, I got an update for you. I got an update on that tragic axe murder victim. You remember her, Julie Minogue? I got a little update on the man that took her life and where that's all headed. The case, the trial, everything that's kind of going on. I got a little update on it. But before we jump into that, y'all know what's up. The buttons. Smash that like. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe. Please. I know a bunch of you are return viewers. Just go ahead and smash that button. Let's make it official. Let's just do this. Make it official. You know what I mean? Subscribe. I appreciate it. Much love, you guys. Let's jump into it. So I dug a little stuff up. I dug a little something up. Let me go ahead and read to you some of these notes that I was able to get on the update of what's going on. And I'll give you the full rundown. We'll just go ahead and do the full rundown on it so that any of you that aren't sure about this case yet can get updated, and so I can just refresh all of those people that already know what's kind of going on. So, all right, here we go. Ewan Dewitt, the man accused of using an axe to kill the mother of his 3-year-old son in front of the boy in Salem Walk condo, or I'm sorry, at a Salem Walk condo last year, will return to court this month for a hearing on a request from prosecutors for police to obtain sample of his DNA. Pretty standard, right? All right. During the remote hearing in the case Monday before Judge Peter Brown, State's attorney Margaret Kelly told the judge she had recently turned over additional discovery evidence to Dewitt's lawyer, public defender John Walkley, and supervisory assistant public defender Carla Dronaic. I think that's how you say the name. That's a rough one right there. In the form of a DNA report, phone records, and photographs. The lawyers did not discuss details regarding the evidence, but the prosecutor called the judge's attention to a motion she filed May 16th for non-testimonial evidence in the case. Walkley said he would probably object to Kelly's motion, but hadn't yet made a decision. Right? Police say that Dewitt stormed into Julie Minogue's condo December 6th and killed her in a suspected axe attack. While her two youngest children, bro, this is horrible. While her two youngest children, 17 and 3 years old, and mind you, the 3-year-old, that was his child with her, right? Were in the home, okay? Police said the 17-year-old saw Dewitt standing over Minogue holding a bloody axe. Bro, can you say scarred for life? That poor kid, man. Absolutely, I don't know. And that a neighbor's Ring doorbell camera had captured Dewitt with the weapon in his hands. Literally. Yeah. Come on, man. Thank goodness for technology, right? Thank goodness for technology. During this first court appearance in the case, a prosecutor said Dewitt had confessed to killing Minogue. Okay? Dewitt could be in the early stages of preparing a mental health defense, one of his lawyers hinted during Monday's hearing. It's still relatively early in this case, Walkley told the judge. Our investigation is ongoing. Mr. Dewitt, probably to no surprise, we're having him evaluated for the purposes of his defense that's active and ongoing. So this dude admitted to it, but now he's gonna try to use that, that mental health issue stuff. Bro, this dude was he's got priors. If you guys haven't watched the videos I have on this already, go back. I break it down really well in those videos on everything that's going on. Dude, this guy had priors. He had assaulted her before. Like, seriously, this dude was sick. He was just a bad dude. He's a bad dude. All right? Kelly said she would put police on notice to get the DNA sample should the judge approve her motion at the next court date scheduled for June 30th. And of course, Dewitt pleaded not guilty to charges related to Minogue's killing in April. So, pleading not guilty, even though he admitted to it, he confessed to it. And are you serious right now, dude? I don't know, man. I I don't know. I The only thing that I feel positive about with this is we have so much evidence, right? Even if they don't want to give the sample of blood, it's dude, we got the ring camera, right? Showing him with the axe before the murder, right? And then we have the testimony, and it's going to be hard on the kid, but the kid has to do it. We're going to have that testimony from the 17-year-old, right? Most definitely. So just those two factors alone, plus all the priors, plus the restraining order, that's all. You know what I mean? That's all going to be stacked against this piece of And the fact that he's got public defenders, no, I ain't throwing no hate on public defenders. But let's face it, bro. They ain't at the same caliber as the people getting paid big money to, you know what I mean? Like the defenders and, you know, the Melly case that's going on right now, or the Travis Rudolph case that, you know, we just got done, you know, covering. So I have a little, you know, I have a little confidence there that, you know, this dude's going to get what he has coming to him. And I just pray that they find him completely competent. The evaluations that they're gonna, his, you know, defense is gonna try to put him through. That way, you know, he has to stand trial for this, because I feel like prosecution has enough. They have enough to convict this man, and he needs it. He needs it, man. This dude's a piece of garbage. He's definitely on honest. You all know how I feel. Like I'm all for capital punishment, and this man, he deserves that. And bare minimum right there. No, you don't, you know what I mean? But that's how I feel, and how I feel like it's not how things go usually. But anyways, guys, I just want to jump up here and let you know the little update and the digging I've been doing on that one. Bring back a case that, you know, it's kind of dropped off everybody's radar. You know, it was big news when it first popped and people were covering it, but then you know how it goes. Everybody's so stuck on the Idaho 4 and Koberger and Summer Wells, and you know what I mean? Like, so definitely had to jump back into the archive and, you know, see what's up with some of these other cases. And I'm going to be doing that more, you know what I mean? Like bringing back some stuff that, you know, people just forgot about that needs, you know, some attention. Because this case in particular, and not only would I like to see justice being done upon this man, but I'd also like, and I'm still trying to like get more information on this part of it, but I'd still like the law enforcement agencies there to be held accountable for this even happening. Because if you do recall, if you go back and watch my videos, she tried to get restraining orders. She tried to make it to where she was safe, and law enforcement failed her. And as far as I know, her family was going after law enforcement. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to still find some information on that to see where that has led to. And as soon as I do, I'll definitely let you guys know, obviously. But yeah, guys, that's an update on the Julie Minogue murder. And I'm hoping and praying that piece of crap gets found competent to stand trial and gets that full conviction. You know what I mean? But that being said, guys, it's your boy, the Piscean Predator, a.k.a. TPP in these true crime streets. And until next video, all, much love. I'm out. Peace.